everyone, welcome to Maths Literacy Grade 10. My name is Sushen Naidu. Today I'm talking to you guys about perimeter. Let's get started. So, did you know that Krispy Kreme sells around 1.63 billion donuts a year? That is enough donuts to go around the earth 4 times. That's a lot of donuts, eh? Sure. So, what are we looking at today? By the end of this lesson, you should be able to measure perimeter, calculate perimeter and circumference, convert radius to diameter, convert diameter to radius, and answer questions on perimeter. Let's get started. So the concept map, and you see what I'm going to flow with today. We're going to start with measuring perimeter. There it is. We'll go to calculate perimeter, go to conversions, calculate circumference, and we'll end off with something called integration. You'll see when you get there. So, this is the pre-knowledge. Before we begin, do you remember how to convert? Conversions are changing one unit of measurement to another unit of measurement. So, what I've done here is, I've shown you the 2 common methods in which we convert. Either you memorize all of that, or you memorize this system. So, on the first one, straightforward, 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters, 1 meter is 100 centimeters, 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. Like I said, remember that one. With the other one, it's more like a diagram form. So, if we start at a point, let's say I start at kilometers. If I jump over and I want to convert from kilometers to meters, I must follow that path and times by 1,000. If I want to convert from meters to centimeters, I follow that path again, times by 100. If I want to go from centimeters to millimeters, I times by 10. You see that? And the same thing if you go under that. So we're converting from the smaller unit to the bigger unit. So if I convert from millimeters to centimeters, I must divide by 10. Centimeters to meters, I must divide by 100. Or lastly, if we're going from meters to kilometers, then we divide by 1,000. Whichever method you prefer. Right. Convert the following. Let's practice that. A textbook is 30 centimeters long. How long is it in millimeters? So we know we're converting now from centimeters to millimeters. 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. All right. Using that idea, 30 centimeters multiplied by 10 gives me 300 millimeters. There we go. Nice work. Let's look at another one. The length of a beetle is 4,278 millimeters. How long is it in centimeters? All right. So using a similar one as the one above, if 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters, there's my general conversion. Therefore, 4,278 millimeters divided by 10 gives me 427,8 centimeters. Use a calculator there if you want to. We get the answer. Right, nice work. Let's look at question C. The length of a soccer field is 110 meters. How long is it in centimeters? So, 1 meter is 100 centimeters. Therefore, 110 meters. So in this case, we've got a times. So we times by 100. And yes, there's space there. And that equals to 11,000 centimeters. Nice. The last one. The length of a netball pole is 30,500 millimeters. How long is it in meters? So if you see this one, you're converting from millimeters, not just to centimeters, but from millimeters to meters. So it's almost a double jump. So the first thing we've got to do is we've got to go 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. Therefore, 30,500 millimeters. Remember, we're going to centimeters, we're going up, we've got to divide. So we divide that by 10. That gives me 3050 centimeters. All right, that's the first part. Now we've got to go from centimeters to meters. So there is 1 meter is 100 centimeters. All right, almost there. So 30,000, oh, sorry, not 30,000, 3,050 centimeters. Let's write that guy again. 300 and there we go. 3,050 centimeters divided by 100 gives me 30,5 meters. There we are at the end. All right, nice work. Let's carry on. All right, new words and language. So the circle is a round shape with no edges or corners. That's what makes a circle special. Circumference is the perimeter of a circle. Diameter, a straight line from one point on the circumference to another passing through the center. It must pass through the center of the circle, and of course that's the diameter. The perimeter now is the sum of all the lines forming the boundary of a shape. All right, so that's what that is. That's what we're going to calculate today. Okay. Radius, a straight line from the center of the circle to the circumference. Then we've got our standard shapes. We start off with the rectangle, a four-sided shape with two pairs of opposite sides being equal. The square, also a four-sided shape where all four sides are equal in that case. And the last one here, the triangle, is a three-sided shape. Let's take a short break. When we get back, we'll get stuck into it. See you soon.